The past and the present. Things changed a lot from the past. You will not believe how different things are today. In the past, children played board games together. There were no computers. In the present, most children play computer games. In the past, people washed clothes in a washtub. They washed them clean on a washboard. In the present, we put clothes in a washing machine. In the past, it took months for sailing ships to go from America to Europe. In the present, airplanes fly that far in 7 hours. In the past, it took months for a letter to go from New York to London. Letters went to sailing ships too. But in the present, an email gets there in a few seconds. Things are much faster these days. Things are much easier too.